Hey everybody, today Lisa and I, we're on a celebrity reflection. We're on deck 11. This is mostly public space, this is mostly a cabin deck, but there is a little bit of public space up here called the library. We'll show you that in a different video. We're going to show you where all your cabins are in relationship to stairs, elevators, and crew doors. If you've never seen us do one of these videos before, please know I cannot turn the camera for you to see every door and door number. If I did, well, you guys would ironically get seasick. So I'm going to call them out and use my finger to point them out. And do us a huge favor. When you hear or see your door, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful celebrity reflection. So let's get started right here. 1632, 1630, 628 and 26, 624, 622, and another access to the sort of library area here, or the stairs and elevators. Crew door, 620, 18, crew door, 616, 614, 612, 10, 8, 642, 1600, 5, 98, 96, and 94, 592, 90, and 88, crew door, 586 and 84, 582 and 80, 578 and 76, crew door, 74 and 72, 570 and 68, 566 and 64, 562, 560, 558 and 56, 554 and 52, 550, 48. Here is access to your forward elevators and stairs. Again, forward elevators and stairs. 1546, 44, crew door, 42, 40, 38, 1526, 1524, we have some inside cabins, so let's look at them now. 1528, crew door, 1530, 1532, crew door, 1536, and 1534. There you go. Glad we looked at them now. On other decks, they've gone all the way to the front. So we left off with 1526, 1524, 1522. And we're sort of, here's an entry to the spa, okay? 1520, 1518, 1516 and 14, 1512 and 10, 1508, 06, 04, 02, and we can cheat. There's a relaxation lounge as part of the spa. Right? It's all quiet up here, but we can cut through to the other cabins on the other side, which I love being able to do. All right, a couple steps down. We know 1501, 1503, 507, 911, 1517. Yes, I am skipping 13. Bad luck number. 19, 21. No deck 13, no cabin 13. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. Crew door, 35, 37, 39, 41. Access to the forward elevators and stairs on this side of the ship. 543, 545, crew door. 547 and 49, 551 and 53, 555 and 57, crew door. 59, 61, 563, 565, 567, 69, crew door. 571, 73, 575 and 77, 79, 81, crew door. Crew door, 83, 85, 587 and 89, 591 and 93, 595 and 97, 599, 601, 1601, 1603 and 1605, and a crew door. Okay. Access to this side of the library, stairs and elevators if you want. 1607. 1609. 1611, that's the biggest cabin on the ship. That's the Penthouse suite. Main access to the elevators and stairs. Crew. $615, $617, crew door. $619, 21 and 23, $625 and 27, $629 and 31, crew door. $633 and 35, $637 and 69, crew door. $641 and 43, $645 and 47, $649 and 51, crew door. $653 and 55, $657 and 59, crew door. $661, $663, crew door. $669, $671, $673, $696. I don't know which of the other side. Crew door. $694, $692. Lisa. 686, 84, crew door. 682 and 80, 78 and 76, crew door. 74, 72, 70, 68 and crew door. 1666, 64, 62, 60, crew door. 658 and 56, 54, 52, crew door. 1650, 48, 46 and 44, 42, crew door. 1640, 1638, good morning, crew door. 1636, 34, and guess what, guys? This is right where we started. So we've gone full circle here on deck 11 on the beautiful celebrity reflection. Don't forget to leave a comment below that you saw in or heard your door called. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao.